The main accused in the Bishalgarh shooting case, Ranbir Debnath, was arrested on Monday after a dramatic confrontation with the police at the Bishalgarh Court premises.
Did you know that for an emergency, Indira Gandhi did he know? We know, our brothers know, because we are educated, not we are mafias. Hey you, what is your dignity? Did you know?
On March 20, Ranbir and his associates allegedly trespassed into the home of contractor Anup Kumar Saha in Netaji Nagar, demanding a large sum of money at gunpoint. Later that night, the gang fired shots at the house twice, causing widespread panic. While police had previously arrested some of his accomplices, Ranbir had been evading capture. He was finally spotted at the court complex on Monday. The arrest was not easy. Ranbir reportedly engaged in a physical scuffle with officers in a desperate attempt to flee before being overpowered and taken into custody.
Did you know that for an emergency, Indira Gandhi did he know? We know, our brothers know, because we are educated, not we are mafias. We are
Police are now interrogating him to further investigate the extortion racket and the source of the firearms used in the attack. Reporter from Bishalgarh, Chini, Khorang.